Jim tried to poke a hole in the new door, so I had to try to cover it up with a sticker. Just need to put some trim on the outside. And some stuff and some things. Is my floor pretty? Alright, here you go, Tommy. You ready?
Time is valuable and should be spent doing meaningful things. But figuring out which of our product names has the most adjectives.
It's really warm up here, I can tell you that much. And there we are. This is the miscellaneous extra parts section where we bring stuff when we don't want to go any further than the top of the stairs. Everything gets thrown right here. And a lot of gym stuff up here. Fenders, steps, tailgate, grill, cowl. Some El Camino doors, some El Camino fenders, an Nova hood. A lot of RC cars. So yeah, I kind of got tired of those. So that's where all those are for now, probably forever. Yeah, Jim's fender's hanging out up here. It's really warm up here because it's not insulated, so you know, this is our bake booth. I'm sure these are good and dry now. Got some 14-inch torque thrusts, you know, old school. I need to sell those or get rid of them or do something with them. I got a S10 spare tire, really need that now. A couple torque thrust 2s, 17 by 7, 4-inch backspace, 5 on 4 3/4. A lot of Earnhardt stuff in this box, and that's just miscellaneous die-cast stuff here. Stuff like that. And garbage, yep. That's my garbage up here. Yeah, that's about it. So, yeah, I'd like to finish this area and like do something up here. I don't know what. Put a big huge TV and a couch up here and something. Maybe, I don't know. Do something. But yeah, it's nice to have a place to bring stuff you don't want sitting around in the garage or the house. Yeah. But if we drywall this in, we're gonna lose all this space where I've been putting everything. It'd be kind of cool, I guess, to drywall it in and then put shelves here so you can put stuff on some of them or something. I don't know. So there you are. You have now been up in the loft. It's hot up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and go down here. That's much better. And then there's this. Yeah, pardon the music, it's a little loud over here. I spilled some paint on it here, so you know it's got a touch of Project Wrong Side. Hard plastic handle. 6500. See, it looks like the original paint to me. These weren't painted, but for some reason it looked like these were. Unless that's actually the chrome that was peeling off here and it just looked like the paint. This is the only ding. It's like a BB gun ding or something that I found. That and this latch doesn't seem to really fit tight. You latch it, but it's still kind of loose. This one's good. Oh, maybe it's the same way. I don't know, maybe that's what it's supposed to be. Got the tray. Inside. There's that blue I was talking about. Isn't that weird? Whoa. Whoa, what's going on over there, sir? Eating a cupcake, are you? Little hardener spillage. Spillage in the village.
Wow. Let me rephrase it. You're out.
Oh, what?
You're out.
I'm out of what?
Washer.
Glass cleaner?
Yeah.
What do I need that for?
You gotta wash the spot on my windshield, see? Look.
Windshield? What's wrong with it?
It's on the street right beside it, so it's wet.
Oh yeah, what happened there? If I'm out, how are you using it? Oh, you're just using the last of it is basically what you're trying to say.
Sir, I would never do such.
It's okay, sir. It's the least I can do.
Yeah, for a guy that frosted cupcakes just so you could have one.
Oh, you frosted them? Yeah, how were they?
Pretty tasty. There's one on this truck in there for you.
That's tasty. That's real. That's gonna be
Real
tasty.
tasty.
That's gonna be real tasty. Isn't it a little late for roses to be blooming? I mean, come on. Angel's doing a little wheel polishing. See? Huh? Polished torque thrust? Yeah, what's up with that? Black's where it's at.
Yeah. Definitely don't see people polishing black wheels, do you?
Yeah, you don't see people polishing black wheels.
We paint these ones black before we know it.
That's right. See, this is why we paint wheels around here. Look at this. Does that look like fun?
No, it's not fun. It's probably why these don't look as good as they used to.
Yeah, I tried the Powerball on these, the Powerball cone one, and it just like scratched them up, made them look worse. I don't know what the hell.
Here you go, Angel. I know you won't get it if I stop here.
Oh, thank you, sir. I gotta go. I'm gonna eat this cupcake.
Oh, it's too bad you have the camera. You
Oh
can't
man, I
hold
could
that.
have two. All right, we're doing some rearranging here. Toolbox over here. It's not really in the way now. Get more room over here once this is cleaned up. Actually get beside something and work on it. Stack these cabinets on top of each other. And got this one here. So I don't have any room to put anything. Tired of stacking stuff on top of cabinets and everything being messy. So, yeah. I'll be able to fit a lot of crap in this one. And yep. just too much stuff. Starting to have not enough room. Eventually there's gonna be a door here where this window is, because see, now with this garage here, we don't have a door to get in and out of the garage. Very nice. We got the seal on. Good stuff. Some things. And yeah. Now all I need
Some dinner.
is for these trees to go away. And I can put a shed over there to put all this lawn and garden type crap. And then we'll be good for a while. So yeah. $3,000 for tree removal, $2,000 for a shed. We'll be looking good. And there you have it. Well, yep.
Just depends on who does, really.
Who does what?
The tree.
Oh,
Some
yeah.
people, they don't take the wood, or
I want them to be like they weren't here. I don't want to clean up anything.
Right.
I mean, yeah, the stumps are probably going to be
you
here,
just
but
went to like 4,500 to 55.
no, they'll take.
Yeah, they'll take it all right.
They
for
want the
price.
wood.
Yeah, but they don't want all the limbs.
Well, man, that's a wash. They want the wood. They got to take the limbs. That's my deal.
Why don't we go ask these guys tomorrow?
All right, let's do it. Let's get an update on the wheel polishing. Man, look at those things. Man, those look good. No, they look good anyway. Excellent work. Hey, you want to drive this thing now before we start tearing it apart, don't you? Yeah, well, you better hurry up, because probably tomorrow my car's going in here for its permanent nap time.